Hello super creative people! On last video we discussed about the film festival, and now let's talk about IMDb again. So you've done your cool projects, have your short movie, I don't know what it is, action movie or horror, comedy, whatever. So it might be a good idea for registered on IMDb, for credit yourself, for credit everyone who take a part for create the project. Let's say all of the stunts, who working in light, with the camera, with the sound, with the editing, and so on. So let me show you quickly how to do it. So basically it's really similar, and yeah, if you have a pro account you have a little bit more options, so it will be more easy for you. Everything is really simple. Just go to imdb.com, click on menus and choose a contributor zone and add new title, and we go. So write your film name and choose what year is that. So basically if it's your film, so probably it will be not in a list, but maybe some of your colleagues it's added already. So just check the list, and after to be sure it's not here, and click it not in a list, and then just play with the menu and put all of the description. Just try to add any section one by one. So here you put all of the details like duration, what kind of film and so on, and add all of the members, write the director, producer, assistants, all of the stunts and actors, camera team, and so on. Alright, it's really simple and short video. Hopefully it was useful. Have good luck.